Ang iyong katanungan, ano ang maipagmamalaki mo bilang isang kabataang Pilipino? Ano ang maipagmamalaki mo bilang isang kabataang Pilipino?
Okay. Bilang isang kabataan, ang maipagmamalaki ko ay ang aking lahi bilang isang tunay na Pilipino. Taglay ang kulay na kayumangking kaligatan, nagtataglay karagandahang asal kung saan marunong gumamit ng po at opo, marunong magmano at gumalang sa mga nakakatanda, at higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. Ang lawan po.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, candidate number 9. Candidate number 10. Kumusta?
Mabuti naman po.
Parang napakalalim ng hinugot mong buntong hininga bago pakawalan ng iyong sagot. Kinakabahan?
Konti lang po.
Konti lang po. Pumili ka na ng iyong katanungan. Ano ang iyong religion?
Katoliko po.
Katoliko. Basing on your religion, how would you accept homosexuality? Basing on your religion, how would you accept homosexuality?
As a devout Catholic, homosexuality is acceptable. However, homosexuals must define their carnal activities. They must minimize, if not totally eradicate, these such activities, for they are just but a human. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Talaga wala daw ako sinabi, thank you lang kaagad. Candidate number 11. Your question is, if you will be given the chance to be born again, are you going to choose yourself to be someone, to be yourself, or to be someone, and why? If you will be given the chance to be born again, are you going to choose again yourself or to be someone, and why?
I will choose myself because we must not set limitation to our own selves, because everything in this world is possible. We must learn to respect our capacities, and to learn to trust God, so that everything in this world will be happen. And it definitely happen, and it won't be denied. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you to you too. Candidate number 12. Taga saan si candidate number 12?
Mangaldan.
Mangaldan. Choose your question. What is your edge of being a candidate? What is your edge of being a candidate?
First and foremost, to our very respectful panel of judges, I'm sure, to all the audiences this night, most special to my family and friends, and to my co-candidates as well, a pleasant evening. Even though I am not that conspicuous like among the other candidates, as you could notice, I could proudly say to myself that I am not the virtuous among us. Why did I say so? The mere fact that I much more know myself than the other candidates. Furthermore, being virtuous in such a way that I appreciate every bit of life, from morning to night, from dawn to dusk, from the core of the earth, from the sky above. And for me, that's the edge of being me, being Aljon de Vera Laude. Furthermore, connectedly related for the edge of being a contestant, this night, by not expecting too much, but rather appreciating the shimmering eyes, bombastic looks, and earth-shaking screams of the crowd as they see me ramp up here in the stage, and as I answer this question as well. And maybe you are confused why I answer this question in English. We know that the title of this pageant is Ginoong Pilipinas. Yet, it doesn't mean that I am not proud to be a Filipino, but this is only how I show being versatile and being globally competitive, being a Filipino. Once again, and up to the end, Aljon de Laude from Mangaldan, and from the only autonomous university in Region 1, University of Luzon. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 12. Candidate number 14. Kumusta si candidate number 13?
Mabuti naman po.
Ikaw ba'y naniniwala na ang 13 ay malas?
Hindi naman po.
Hindi naman po. Your question is, if you are able to choose among love, wealth, and fame, what will you choose and why? If you are able to choose among love, wealth, and fame, what will you choose and why?
Thank you for the question, sir. First of all, good evening to everyone. Among the three, love, fame, and wealth, I would choose love. Because we all know love is powerful. Love is everywhere. With love, it gives energy that makes us to do all things. With love, it gives us compassion in giving and sharing to the poor. With love, life will be colorful and meaningful. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, love. Love, love. Candidate number 14. Choose your question. Kumusta si number 14?
Okay lang po.
Your question is, what is the essence of true happiness? What is the essence of true happiness?
Thank you for the wonderful question, sir. For me, the essence of true happiness is not by acquiring material possessions, it's not by acquiring fame, it's not by gaining money, it's not by being rich, but it is by pursuing your own passion. It is by pursuing your own dreams, and that is to be done with diligence, perseverance, determination, and hard work. But most of all, to be able to realize true happiness in one of us, we should obey God's will, which is to love your neighbor more than you love yourself. That will be all. Good evening.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 14. May I call on candidate number 15? From Ordineta. From Ordineta City. Ang iyong katanungan, paano mo napapanatili ang iyong maganda at matipunong katawan? Paano mo napapanatili ang iyong maganda at matipunong katawan?
Marami pong salamat sa inyong magandang katanungan. Napapanatili ko po ang aking magandang katanungan sa pananatili sa regular na ehersisyo, sapat po na pagkain, disiplina sa sarili, at higit po sa lahat, wala bang bisyo. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Ilang beses ka pang mag-gym?
Every other day po.
Every other day. Kaya pala maganda katawan. Thank you very much. Candidate number 15. May I call on candidate number 16? From La Union. Right? Gaano ka katangkad? 6'3". 6'3". Kumusta ang hangin dyan sa taas? Kumusta ang hangin sa taas?
Mainit.
Mainit. Ang iyong katanungan, para sa iyo, ano ang katangian ng isang Ginoo? Para sa iyo, ano ang katangian ng isang Ginoo?
Una lang sa kailangan ng respeto sa sarili, sa kapwa kalalakihan, lalo sa mga kababaihan. May paninindigan, may isang salita, at higit sa lahat, may takot at paniniwala sa Diyos. Salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate number 16. Last but not the least is candidate number 17. Ano height mo?
6'3".
6'3", magkasing tangkad kayo. Huwag mo sabihin, taga-Launion ka rin. Taga saan ka?
Tarlac City.
Tarlac City. Your question? Wala ka ng ibang choice kundi yan. Kung ikaw ang magre-representa sa Ginoong Filipinas Nationals, ano ang hakbang ang gagawin mo para manalo? Kung ikaw ang magre-representa sa Ginoong Filipinas sa Nationals, anong hakbang ang gagawin mo para manalo?
Sisimulan ko po ito sa disiplina. Alam naman po natin sa disiplina nagsisimula lahat ng success ng isang tao. At ipapakita ko rin po na porsigido ako at hindi sila nagkamali na ako ang magrepresenta ng Ginoong Pilipinas sa national. Lamang po. Salamat.
Confident. Thank you very much, candidate number 17. All the candidates will receive a gift pack from